Now, let us have our given, the LCM of 8, 12, and 16. Now that we have more than 2 given, we're no longer use listing because it will take more time. Let's have the efficient way, the continuous division. So first, we'll list the given and think of a smaller number that can divide all of this number. So the smallest number will be 2. 8 divided by 2 will be 4. 12 divided by 2 will be 6. 16 divided by 2 will be 8. Now, since 4, 6, and 8 has a common divisor, we divide it again with the smallest number, which is 2. 4 divided by 2 will be 2. 6 divided by 2 will be 3. And 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So afterwards, we divide it again with the smallest possible number. So the only smallest possible number is 1. So 2 divided by 1 will be 2. 3 divided by 1 will be 3. 4 divided by 1 will be 4. As you can see, we obtained the same number. We got the same number again. So this is relatively prime. So when the quotient were relatively prime, meaning to say we're going to stop the process. So the next step is we get the number, the product. So you have here 2 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. So 2 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. So let's get the product. 2 times 2, 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24, and 24. So let's write down here. 24 times 4 is 96. So the LCM for 8, 12, and 16 is 96.